Friends, this is about the Everest expedition video that I am preparing to put up on YouTube. I climbed Everest last year. This is about the first anniversary of it. So since then I hadn't really made the effort to put the videos together. I don't have videos for everything, but however I put it together and I have now divided into three parts so that each individual video is not too long. Each part is about 20 minutes. So the first part of the climb is only the trek up to base camp, and then there is a base camp to camp 1 oblique camp 2, and then there is a part for the higher camps and to the summit. Now at the higher most uppermost portion I don't have videos in enough numbers, so I've added some pictures. I am happy to be able to share this with you, and I hope that you will enjoy this journey. It's a very real, it's not a formally produced, very beautifully, very sort of a professionally done video, but it's the real life and real time stuff of what you can expect and what you see while you're there. Thank you and enjoy yourself. The expedition, a fresh plane accident at the Lukla airport. Two people unfortunately have lost their lives, but it could have been worse. Okay, so one of the many cable bridges that one has fun crossing while doing the Everest Trail. That's my friend Hassan, and we are on our way to Phakting after a sad situation at the airport with the crash where a couple of people lost their lives and we got stuck, and then it got raining really hard. But now we are on our way. We should be another couple of hours away from Phakting. Okay. That's the famous, my favorite spot of the Everest trek. At the Kumchum village, Sherpa village adopted by the Edmund Hillary Foundation, one of the more prosperous and more developed villages in the Solukhumbu region of Nepal. Had a great walk up to the Everest Hotel and then down to the Kumjum village. Now walking back to Namche. This gorgeous Nepalese scenery, and we show you Namche village view from the top. There you go. That's Namche for you. Vibe of Namche Bazaar. Pura, it's crowded, it's hip and happening. Cafes, bakeries, shops. This, that and the other. It's really the spot that happens in Nepal. Whether you're going to Bokyo or EBC, Everest, all the routes go through Namche Bazaar. That's what it is. Yak traffic on the trail. Yaks have right of way always. Rule is to give way by standing towards the mountain, obviously, so you don't get pushed over. Hassan! Fabulous day trekking, gorgeous views of Everest, Amadablam, quaint villages, absolutely spectacular scenery. The beautiful ancient chotans. That's your Everest view. You can see the trekking route. Isn't this simply amazing? On our way to Lubuche. Ye wala point, second time. Last time I was with Raghav. Obviously the scenery is spectacular as we keep going up. High peaks. That's Amadablam. There are quite a few memorials in this area. One is this one, and there are other sites too. Oh, there is the cafe where we had a break to have some tea. The trek to EBC is a really interesting, easy trek, very scenic, very comfortable. I think the only downside I find is that it's a little crowded. However, it's a good first trek to take for a lot of people, I would think. Nepal is well organized. It is easy to stay in the tea houses, and the food is pretty decent. I mean, for what it is in a typical trekking sort of trip. The Namche Bazaar area is an amazing break point, really happening place, cafes, bars. So, for people who are not very used to kind of roughing it out, the Everest Base Camp trek is a good one. Lots of agencies conduct the trek, but I think you don't really need an agency if you're a little adventurous yourself. There is enough places to stay and eat, and you can just go from one point to the other. So it's good if you want an agency, but as such it's a very nice and easy trek to have a look at the biggest mountain of the world. Enjoy it. This area has some more memorials of people who are no more, pursuing their dreams of Everest. Scott Eugene Fisher. This is an important one. So we are going towards Gorakshep and then to EBC. The lovely views of Pamori, Kalapathar, and the whole theatre of peaks here. One can see. It's a nice clear day, so easy to walk, not windy. Of course, getting a little hot because it's sharp sun. My friend Jay will be departing today.
Bye.
And our friend Mr. Praful going to Lubuche. Asit, Doc, I want to be like him when I grow up. So I want I want to make sure that you all know about him, and I'll tell you more later. So right now I'm getting the honor of getting a picture, and Mr. Jay is taking a picture, and we're still making a video though. Look at the crowds, and the one thing I don't like about ABC is the crowds. Shit. Getting closer to base camp. That's our team coming up. We're approaching Gorakshep, and you can see the gorgeous views of the glacier here. You can see. And down there is EBC. The chopper is coming out of EBC. It's Pumori. It's beautiful. That's what it is. That's the game. Okay. We are at base camp now. Sorry. So going down into the see. You can see how does the base camp look. And that's it. It's snowing, light snowing. Many prayer flags there. So we are having our arrival base camp welcome meal.
First lunch.
Hello.
First lunch at base camp. Everyone's very happy. Also time to be divided into different groups today. So what are the comments so far? Manisha, are you liking it?
Yeah.
But soch ke bola.
This is great.
Food is great.
Thank you.
Not only the food, you can talk about anything you like.
Thank you for inspiring me to be a part of this group.
Excellent. Thank you, Jay, for being here. We enjoyed your company. Ashish, any comments from you?
Best dal ever, man. After that, green curry.
Best dal ever. Praful, what do you want to say?
Oh, good food.
This is video for eternity, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good food.
You can think beyond food.
He's going to Campbell also.
Ricky,
That was before.
Good job, man. Everybody, great job.
thank you.
Had an amazing time. This is probably the last
Good group meal, huh?
good group meal. Last meal with everyone.
Or what are you trying to say with my last track?
No.
I thought that's what he's saying. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
CJ,
I think it has been a great company and it's been a great experience. Got to see a lot of probably would have never seen on the base camp here. Just walking in, that itself is an experience.
no, that is a good thing that you guys could come to base camp. I know you have
It's great.
hidden ambitions
Oh, who
to
knows?
spend a month here.
We'll figure it out.
Anything
Nobody
else
needs to know.
from you, Saurabh.
I'm not going to say anything on video.
And you. Now can you can tell us about your last night's experience?
It was day before.
Whenever.
But this is a challenge of a lifetime. This is a wonderful hike.
Did you fall in the
Wonderful
party?
group of people. Huh?
You are pretty close. What happened?
But, I can't explain that.
Not right.
Thank you, gentlemen and lady. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya.
We'll make a full video later on. End of part 1. Gentlemen and ladies, this is now we are up to base camp, and for people who are just aiming to go to base camp may find these kind of things helpful, although there are enough of those. The next video will be onward, starting from Khumbu Ice Fall towards the upper camps. Khumbu Ice Fall is a very, very interesting and a very dangerous place. It's also considered to be one of the most dangerous and demanding parts of the Everest climb itself. So you will enjoy some of those videos, and if you see closely, you will understand why is it called Killer Khumbu. And I think anybody who's preparing to go or just wants to know more of first hand real life pictures and videos about Everest, you might find this interesting. Enjoy.